Hi, Roy here from Monitors Anywhere. We are here in ISE 2020. I'm glad to show you today our latest innovation, the Monitors Anywhere web-based interface. We call it MAWi. And MAWi allows you to control multiple screens. They can be signage screens, they can be video walls, and they can be in different locations, multiple locations, and we can show them all on one web-based interface and push any type of content that you have, like videos, images, URLs, PowerPoints, anything that you come up with. Also your own CMS you can do with our MAWi platform. And the way that we allow you to do that is very simple, and it's all shown here. You can create a playlist in few minutes and then just drag and drop it on the screens, change the content on the fly. You can do it from your smartphone, from your tablet, any device with a browser. And that's our MAWi. You can see more and check more information on our website. It's monitorsanywhere.com. Thank you for coming. Have a nice one.